myself. My name is Isra Agita Ibni Kahar. I majored in Tadris Biology 1 in the Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Science at the Islamic University of North Sumatra. Now, because my major is related to biology, so here I will discuss cell division. Here's an animated video about cell division and its explanation, and happy watching! Cell division is a very important process for the survival of living things. Cells in the body of living things divide to increase their numbers, prepare the meat tissues, and reproduce. Cell division can occur through three types: amitosis, mitosis, and meiosis. Number 1. Amitotic division. Amitotic division is a process that occurs in unicellular organisms such as bacteria and cyanobacteria. In this process, the cell divides directly into two without the cell nucleus having to divide. This division occurs spontaneously because unicellular organisms do not have a nuclear membrane that must divide. Number 2. Mitotic division. Mitotic division is a process that occurs in eukaryote cell, such as the cell of a living body. In this process, the cell divides into two larger cells that have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Mitotic division consists of 4 phases. And number 1, intraphase, number 2, prophase, number 3, metaphase, and telophase. Interphase is the stage when the cell performs normal activities before entering the division process. Prophase is the stage when the cell nuclear structure begins to change to prepare for division. Metaphase is the stage when the cell's chromosomes are the center of the cell and ready to divide. Telophase in the stage when the cell chromosomes divide and form two new cell nuclei. And number 3, meiosis division. Meiosis division is a process that occurs in gamete cells such as sperma and ovum cells. In this process, the cell divides twice to produce 4 gamete cells that have half the number of chromosomes of the parent. Meiosis division occurs in animals and seed plants and is essential for the reproduction of living things. Cell cycle. The cell cycle is a repetitive and continuous process in the body of living things. In the cell cycle, cells produce new cells by dividing themselves. The cell cycle consists of phases such as S phase, DNA synthesis, M phase, mitosis, and G phase, GAT. The S phase is when the cell's DNA is processed and copied. The M phase is when the cell divides into two larger cells. The G phase is when the cell rests before entering the S phase again. The cell cycle is essential for the survival of living things as it enables growth, repair, and reproduction. Without the cell cycle, living things cannot grow, bones cannot heal, and reproduction cannot occur. Okay, finished explaining about cell division. Thank you. Bye-bye.